What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now. Alright guys, well thanks for coming back and tuning in for this gear review. So the one thing I really like about this kit, just at a first look, is it's really sleek. It's in a nice little waterproof box. It's about the size of a small book, and that's kind of nice. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got inside. I've gone through all these items before and tested them out, and so let's just set this aside and we'll start with, actually, you know what, I want to start with the case. The one thing I really like about this case is it's got this foam padding. There's two of them. You know, they can come in handy for something. You know, you never know. I really like the box itself. Like I said, has a really nice rubber seal around it. It's full in its entirety, so it definitely looks like it'd be a pretty good box for, you know, keeping stuff waterproof. So that's the first thing I want to talk about, is the box itself is actually really nice, and you can use it for anything. You can put your electronics in it or whatever you'd like. But so the first item that comes in this kit is made out of aircraft aluminum, and it's this really nice 350 lumen flashlight, and it's got the telescoping on it, so it's telescopable, which is nice. And then it's got 3 modes. You got your high, your low, and then you got your SOS. So that's really nice, and it's got a nice clip for your pocket or your backpack, whatever you want to do. Another thing I really like about the flashlight in its entirety is it gives you an option. My option right now is just a AA battery, but if you'd really like, you can go online and buy the 14,500 rechargeable flashlight, or any kind of battery type. It comes with 2 batteries, and normally it comes with a recharging station too, and that gives you a little bit more power and a little bit more battery life. Instead of having to carry multiple batteries, you don't even have to probably carry one of those. So that's the first item. Nice little flashlight, 350 lumens. That's pretty decent. So on the next item, also made of aircraft aluminum, this tactical pen's actually really nice. You know, of course, it's got the pen you can write with. You know, if you're mapping stuff out, this would be, you know, your go-to, or some kind of a letter. It also comes apart, which is actually really nice, and you can get refills at the store for this pen. And then on the back side of it, it's got this really nice grip, and you can use this as a glass breaker or a weapon in any kind of a self-defense situation. This would work really good for self-defense for sure. That carbide tip, I don't know if you can really see that. Carbide tip right there, and it's got a nice little clip too. Got a nice clip for your pocket, so that's kind of nice too. The next item I want to talk about is the aircraft aluminum peelless whistle that also came in the kit. Good for your keychain. It's super loud. It's got 3 tones, so you got a left and a right, which is, you know, maybe a low, and then this is a high, and then the dual, which is going to be your SOS. It's really loud. I'll blow just the one, but really, really super loud. Like I said, that you put on your keychain. Nothing really too complicated about that. The next thing is another keychain item. This is supposed to be an indestructible keychain flashlight. It's only 50 lumens, but good enough to search for something in your car, search for something on the ground, search for, you know, look at your map. You can look at your map with this. Kind of a nice little flashlight. Item number 4. Get these right over Okay. The fifth item I want to talk about is the compass. Now this compass is actually really sophisticated. You know, it's got the bearing reader, it's got inches and millimeters for map reading, which is actually really nice. You can search for your bearings, north, south. Comes with a lanyard for around your neck. It's got the fixed declination correction scale and the dual bearing and the dual scale centimeter inches, basically. So a nice little map reader. These kind of work hand in hand. You know, so, they did a really good job incorporating all these tools together to use for multiple purposes. Like, you got your pen, you got your little light for map reading, and then you got your compass. You can use all three of these now. This is pretty versatile, you know, for map work, you know, if you're trying to get somewhere. So that's item number 5. Item number 6. Now, it came with a really nice ferro rod, and I like this rod. It's really heavy duty. It's up to 12,000 strikes, which I'm sure I can probably get 15,000 out of it if I wanted to. It's got the nice grip, which I like a lot. Comes with a tool on it, a little lanyard. Comes with a tool with a millimeter reading from 0 to 50 millimeters. Got a little can opener on it, and it also has a little wrench head. You can also read in kilometers too, so another map reading tool. Now they got this end here. They actually tell you that this is for your striker, but it doesn't work the best. The next tool that we're going to talk about is actually going to be the tool that I would use to use that ferro rod, and that's the last item of the box, which is the multi-tool, multi-purpose pocket survival tool. And it's actually really a decent tool. It has a can opener on it, a knife edge, a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener, 4-position wrench for various size nuts and bolt head, butterfly wrench, a saw blade, a direction ancillary indication, and a 2-position wrench and a lanyard hole for your key ring or wherever you want to put it. But this little blade right here, I'd probably use this to fire the ferro rod. Would be definitely a lot more better to use that over the tool that they give you. So like I said, here's the little, let's see if I can zoom in on that. Here. Still working on this. There's the card. Still not focused. About right there is about as good as it's going to get. So it's got multiple functions. Now they say that this kit is good for 1,000 up to 1,000 different uses. So I'm still yet to use all of it in its entirety. Probably take this out on a trip, you know. That'd be probably the best thing to do. Not a bad little kit. In the link below, I will have, or in the description below, I'll have a link. It's an affiliate link, obviously. The shipping on this kit is super fast. It came in, I had it in less than 2 days. I ordered it, you know, a couple days ago, and it came immediately. You know, I did my review on it, looked everything over, used some of the product. For $19.95, this kit is actually really decent. It retails at $59.95. So right now it's running at $19.95 on Amazon. Totally worth it in my eyes. So in conclusion, I guess the best thing I can say to you is the kit in its entirety is awesome. Everything's pretty high quality. The only downfall about this kit at all is if an average person buys this kit that doesn't know a lot about the outdoors, it might hurt them more than help them, because there are some tools in here that you actually need to learn to use, like learning how to find your bearings on a compass. Some people might not know that this tactical pen is used for breaking windows and a weapon and a pen, you know. So my suggestion would be to improve this kit would to have maybe a small little pocket survival guide in here that would help the normal person that has this in their car and has an emergency situation to have it a little bit more user friendly. Other than that, I haven't really seen any other major defects or issues that would prevent me from buying this kit. All around, I think it's a really good kit, and I really enjoy everybody watching my reviews. Working on it, guys. It's getting better. It's getting better. So, well, there it is. The Stealth Angel 8-in-1 tactical kit. Bam! Ready to rock. In its kit, ready to go. Like I said, link below in the description. If you guys feel like this is something you'd want, you know, feel free to go on the link and see what Stealth has to say about their product on Amazon. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and as always, go wild, and we'll see you on the next one.